This morning, millions of people are waking up to a winter wallop. They're in the path of a winter storm that has already hit some of the south and put a bullseye on parts of the mid-Atlantic and northeast.
Yeah, about a quarter of the U.S. population is in its path. Washington, D.C. is one of the storm's biggest targets. But even though Houston is being spared the winter precipitation right now, the storm's impacts are still being felt by travelers in the Bayou City.
That's right. And Channel 2's Gianna Caserta is live at Hobby Airport this morning. Gianna, are you seeing any flight cancellations?
Oh, yes, lots of flight cancellations, and that really goes for everywhere in the United States right now. Here at Hobby, we've seen 26 flight cancellations, and that's in and out of Hobby, and that's just for today. That doesn't even count from yesterday. I want to show you the board here because take a look. Here we have New York, LaGuardia, Newark, both canceled. Of course, that is from that storm. Over here, we've got Charlotte, we've got Baltimore, 3 cancellations in and out of Baltimore. So, and it's even worse over at Bush. They're dealing with 68 cancellations already today in and out of Bush. Now, thousands of would-be travelers may find themselves stuck at airports waiting for clearer skies. We're seeing a lot of problems at airports in Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., Charlotte, Baltimore. Travelers flying today need to brace for major disruptions, especially throughout the Northeast. But problems are already having a ripple effect on other areas around the United States, and Houston is no different. According to FlightAware.com, we're already looking at 4,618 cancellations today. We're talking all over the country. So if you are flying out of Hobby or Bush or picking someone up from the airport, make sure you check the airlines for the most up-to-date delays and cancellations, because as you can see back out here live here at this board, these are departures. That's a canceled flight right here into Charlotte today, so all over the Northeast, but of course we're seeing that ripple effect throughout the United States. For now, we're live at Hobby Airport. I'm Gianna Caserta, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
All right, Gianna, thanks so much. Well,